Now let us say when we draw two balls at random, what is the probability of at least one blue ball, right? The probability of at least one is equal to 1 minus probability of none. Okay, so therefore probability of at least one blue ball is equal to 1 minus probability of no blue ball at all, right? So that is nothing but probability of at least one blue ball is equal to 1 minus probability of other balls and other balls, right? That is equal to 1 minus 11 upon 19 into 10 upon 80, right? Because total number of other balls, if I remove blue balls, they are only 11, right? So 11 upon 19 into 10 upon 80, right? Is that clear?
Yes.
Now, let us say in the back. Let us say in the back, we got 8 blue balls and 6 white balls. Okay? And then, let us draw 3 balls at random. Okay? So, the question is, when we draw 3 balls at random, what is the probability that at least one is a blue ball? Okay? So, the probability of at least one blue ball is equal to 1 minus probability of no blue ball at all. Right? That is equal to 1 minus probability of white, white. Right? All 3 white balls. So, that is equal to 1 minus 6 upon 14 into 5 upon 13 into 4 upon 12. Right? Again, it's pretty simple, straightforward. Right? Now, let's complicate this question. Okay? Let's keep this aside. Then, instead of drawing 3 balls at random, let us draw 4 balls at random. And then, the question is, when we draw 4 balls at random, what is the probability that at least 2 are blue balls? Okay? So, probability of at least 2 is equal to 1 minus probability of no blue ball at all. And what else we don't want? We don't want exactly one blue ball, right? So, 1 minus probability of no blue ball at all minus probability of exactly one blue ball, right? So, that is equal to 1 minus probability of white, and white, all 4 white balls, minus probability of one blue ball and then 3 white balls. Probability of blue, white, and white, right? So, this is nothing but 1 minus 6 upon 14 into 5 upon 13 into 4 upon 12 into 3 upon 11, right? Minus the first one is a blue ball, that is 8 upon 14 into 6 upon 13 into 5 upon 12 into 4 upon 11, right? Now here the first ball is a blue ball, but blue ball can be in the first position, or it can be in the second position, or it can be in the third position, or it can be in the fourth position, right? It can be any one of these positions. So, what should I do here?
Multiply it by 4.
Multiply by 4, right? Simply multiply it by 4. Remember, we had a question where we said red, green, red, where we just multiplied by 2, right? Likewise, here, instead of taking so many calculations, you can simply multiply this by 4, right? So, this is how we solve the probability equations. Okay? Is that clear?